Ministers present.
Akiaria thingira-inĩ wa iregi hĩndĩ ya ndĩa ya gũkũngũĩra ũhotani wa timu ya Police FC rigi-inĩ ya FKF mwaka ũyũ, President William RUTO nĩ oritie Akenya metheme kũnyũrũrio na kwagĩra kĩene maabitha a borithi rĩrĩa marĩ wĩra-inĩ wao, akiuga ũndũ ũyũ nĩ ũgwati kũrĩ ũgitĩri wa bũrũri.
I will continue to make sure that every security officer, every person who puts their lives on the line for our nation, so that our families can be safe, so that our properties can be safe, and so that our nation can be safe, I will make sure that this nation stands by them and supports them.
President augĩte thirikari yake ndĩkũregera harĩ kũnyitĩrĩra wĩra wa maabitha a borithi na nĩkĩo endekithirie mogarũrũku arĩ ũndũ wa mbere rĩrĩa arĩire mwĩhĩtwa.
Without security, without stability, we don't have a nation. The people who put their lives on the line to make sure that our families are safe, that our properties and nation is safe and stable, are our security agencies. As they put their lives on the line, we as a nation will support them.
President RUTO augĩte ũgitĩri wa bũrũri ndũngĩigananio na ũndũ o wothe, na ũguo ndangĩrora bũrũri ũkĩrikanga ihainĩ mĩario ya president ĩgĩkĩrwo hinya nĩ minister wa ũgitĩri wa thĩinĩ Kipchumba Murkomen na mũnene wa borithi Douglas Kanja.
For the people who want to undermine, demean, try to intimidate our security agencies, I am telling them you are doing the wrong thing. Our security men and women deserve every support that we can muster for them to secure our nation. And we must work with them.
If you hear the people who are speaking now about we want to come to the streets, we want to do mandamano and so forth, Your Excellency, you wonder what is the exact reason. You look at the reasons that have been provided. There have been situations where, unfortunately, in the course of this providing law and order, one or two unfortunate incidents have happened, and the law has been able to take its course. But you will find that despite that process, you will find people who are looking for every reason to come to street and to cause mayhem and to stop people's businesses.
Na rĩrĩ kũrĩ na mĩrũrũngano ya AYUTHI rũciũ, President augĩte maũndũ mothe no nginyagia mekwo watho ũkĩrũmagĩrĩrwo. Mĩario ya President yũkĩte rĩrĩ borithi marĩ gĩterenge-inĩ kĩa wagarari wa ihooto cia ũmũndũ gwata njũragano.
Nobody is above the law. None of us is above the law. You cannot intimidate the police. You cannot use force against the police, or insult, or threaten the police. You are threatening our nation.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwaura wa Ndung'u.